Hey YouTube, Bright Sport Community Channel. I think that Vybz Kartel should retire. I think it's time for Vybz Kartel to throw in the towel and retire from dancehall. You don't have to agree, but if you agree, drop your reason in the comment section. And I'm gonna be talking about why I think Vybz Kartel should be retiring right now, because it doesn't look good for Vybz Kartel, man. Vybz Kartel is very unhealthy. And Vybz Kartel has a catalog, yes, a huge catalog. And people want to see him, patrons, dancehall patrons want to see him, yes. But Vybz Kartel knows that that dancehall music has passed him, man. He knows it. He's not saying it outright, but he knows that dancehall music has passed him. So why not just retire, Vybz Kartel? Why not just retire from dancehall, man? You're not gonna be doing any more hit songs for now. That song that he did the other day about Comet, that is not a hit song. That is not a hit song. That song is an ego song. It's all about ego. And dancehall right now, dancehall is a young man's sport. It's a young man's sport. He came and did his time, and it's time for him to throw in the towel and retire. It's a bit windy today, guys, but still doing what I'm doing here. So it's a young man's sport, and it sounds so pathetic to hear a 48-year-old man talking about having intercourse with women through the cell of his prison cell, who's and whose mother and aunt and whatever he did to whose ladies. And as a 48-year-old man, you're singing about those stuff, man. You're singing about fellatio and all of these things that it's not really like other artists of that age to be singing those songs. And you're 48 years old and you're singing all of these things. Hey, you're singing these things that younger folks should be singing. How do you do that, Vybz Kartel? You need to retire and you need to leave dancehall music. You need to leave dancehall music to craft. You need to leave dancehall music to Raja Wild and these younger folks who it won't look all that bad if they're singing these songs. What I think Vybz Kartel should do is to leave dancehall music and do reggae. Why not do reggae? You've had an illustrious career. And you have your catalogs, you have your awards, and you have your perks and all of that, man. Why not just retire now? Why not just retire and leave dancehall music to the younger guys who are ignorant and they don't know their mistakes? They don't know their mistakes. They're just singing what they want to sing. But you appear to be an intellect, well-read, and all of that, and yet you're still making those mistakes in your song. You have a tattoo. Vybz Kartel has tattooed "God is the greatest" on his face. And he's released from prison, and the first song he's gonna sing, "Oh girl, you're tun good like Jesus." Come on, man. You're still doing it. I mean, Buju Banton, man. Buju Banton is one of the greatest artists ever, man, because Buju Banton was doing dancehall music and he transitioned to reggae at just the right time, and it worked for Buju, man. It worked wonders for Buju Banton. It worked wonders because Buju is now one of the greatest reggae artists of all times. Buju is making money, Buju is touring and all of that. And why can't Vybz Kartel retire and start doing reggae? I know you have the potential to do reggae. The other day, he was on Freedom Street concert and he could hardly walk. He could have hardly held his breath. He had no breathing control, none of that. So if you're a reggae artist, you stand up in front of a standing mic and you sing your songs, you move around if you want to move around. It doesn't require all that strenuous movement and those jumping and all of that like dancehall music. So I think it's time Vybz Kartel retires from dancehall and start doing some reggae music. Start doing some reggae music, write some reggae songs, do a reggae album, tour Africa, represent for reggae, man, because you're older than dancehall now. And those songs that Vybz Kartel is singing now, they make no sense. Comet? Come on, man. Thought I told you that the Comet is... What fucking Comet, man? Come on. Get out of here with that shit, Vybz Kartel, man. You should retire. You should retire and leave dancehall music to the younger guys, Malidan, and all of those guys right now, Pablo YG. Those younger folks who they can afford to sing whatever they want to sing because they're young. They're young, they're inexperienced, and they're ignorant. But for you to appear as intellect as you are and singing those songs, you're just convicting yourself in the court of public opinion, bro. Get out of here with those songs, man. So I think it's time for you to throw in the towel, Vybz Kartel, and retire. Retire from dancehall and start doing reggae music, man. You're close to the end of your time as an entertainer. So why not transition into reggae right now? Do some reggae and do some producing. And your fans, your Gaza fans will be thankful that you did. So this is Bright Spark TV, man. If you agree with me, you put it in the comment section. If not, get the fuck out of here, man. It makes no difference. So, Bright Spark TV, until the next video, peace out.